Ready to launch your idea into the digital world and connect with millions? Let's build your WordPress blog, step by step. First, we need a place for your blog to live. This means choosing a domain name, your unique address on the internet, and a reliable web hosting provider. Think of it like finding the perfect plot of land for your house. Many hosting providers offer easy one-click WordPress installation, simplifying this crucial first step. Once WordPress is installed, we'll dive into themes. Your theme is the visual skin of your blog, dictating its look and feel. Browse through thousands of free and premium themes. Searching for one that aligns with your brand or personal style, you can preview them to see how they'll appear before you commit. Now, let's personalize. The WordPress Customizer is your control center for tweaking your chosen theme. Adjust colors, fonts, upload your logo, and set up your header and footer. This is where you start making your blog truly yours, reflecting your unique personality or business identity. With your blog's foundation set, it's time to create content. Navigate to posts and click Add New. You'll be greeted by a familiar editor where you can write your articles, add images, videos, and format your text for readability. Don't forget to pick a catchy title. To enhance your blog's functionality, we'll use plugins. Think of plugins as apps for your website. Essential plugins can help with search engine optimization, security, contact forms, and much more. Explore the vast plugin directory within WordPress to find tools that will benefit your specific blogging needs. Finally, after adding compelling content and refining your design, hit that publish button. Your voice is now out there, ready to be heard. Continue to create, engage, and watch your online presence grow. It's that simple to bring your WordPress blog to life.